Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently search InMail messages on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest updates. First, let's get started by opening LinkedIn. Simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the bottom corner of your screen. You'll find the messaging bar. Click on it. This will take you to your messaging inbox where all your conversations are stored. Now that you're in the messaging section, it's time to utilize the new filtering options. Locate the search bar at the top of the messaging window. Next to this search bar, you'll see a filter icon. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu that allows you to refine your search. From this drop-down, select InMail. This option specifically filters your messages to show only those sent through InMail, which are messages sent to users who are not in your direct connections. With the InMail filter applied, you can now enter specific keywords or phrases into the search bar. Think about what you're looking for, whether it's a name, a topic discussed, or any relevant term that might help you find that elusive message. Type in your search term and hit enter. As you type, LinkedIn will automatically display results that match your criteria within your InMail messages. This feature is particularly useful for quickly locating important communications from recruiters or potential business partners. Remember, this update enhances your ability to manage and navigate through your LinkedIn messages more efficiently than before. By following these simple steps, opening LinkedIn, accessing the messaging bar, applying the InMail filter, and entering your search term, you'll be able to find what you need in no time. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your professional networking.